Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 11th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Let's look at the indices just a little bit, see how they fared. So they were down pretty much yesterday, all of them, but they had a nice buying pressure at the bottom. The Dow Jones here had some selling pressure at the bottom, went higher today, but still this buying pressure, this is not so bad. S&P 500 also rebounding nicely compared to yesterday. Nasdaq Composite Index, nice bounce also. So it looks like we are going to retest 15,849 because basically Nasdaq is in a big congestion zone. And it was very scary yesterday because we broke quite low, but then we recovered quite well during the day. And today is really a nice bounce from yesterday. And Nasdaq 100, the same thing here. So it seems like everything is coming back up, at least for a little while from the indices perspective, but also for Tesla. Okay, so Tesla having another good day today. So we are up $6.28, 0.59%. Post-market, we seem to be down by 3 cents, a little bit more than 3 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. The chart does not lie. Look at this beauty here. So yesterday we bounced on 1,000 and we broke 1054.69, which is a very important resistance and support that has been used in the past right here. November 23rd, also December 30th, and so on. And now we are approaching this descending resistance. And today, this descending resistance is at 1075.78. And lo and behold, we, on the high of the day, our high of the day is 1075.85. So it's hard to be more right smack on it than this. We are just right against this resistance. The big question is still there. The big question has not been answered. Are we going to break this or are we going to break the support instead? Question is still whole. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Let's look at how this panned out today. So we opened right here below. We opened at 1053.67. So a little bit below than our 1054.69 and basically did a sideway day. For the first hour, we went and tested the resistance that I have been talking about perfectly. This is a perfect touch. Look at this. This is super perfect. On the third hour, we broke outside of it during that hour, but we closed below and have been trending sideways ever since. In terms of indicators on the 1 hour chart, everything's good. Stochastic is good. Stochastic is maintaining itself there. So I have some hope for tomorrow that we might be able to at least maintain ourselves and not go below 1054.69. Let's go see the daily chart here. On the daily chart, we have stochastic at 55, so close to our 60 that we like to see. So tomorrow, what we would like to see is we break this resistance and stochastic goes over 60. And then that should allow us to start going back to 1200 and more. RSI above 50, that's good. MACD crossed over bearish a little bit. That's the only downside, but that's okay. We don't rely on MACD when the stock is really choppy. And this is really choppy because we started at 900 not too long ago, went to 1200, went down to 1000 and even lower than that, and then came back up. So this is choppiness, and this type of indicator, which is basically a moving average indicator, this MACD, it gets tossed around. So we should not be too concerned with that. And in terms of DMI is still considering the stock bullish since December 22nd. So it's still bullish here. One more day, maybe one more day, we are going to see what is going to happen. And let's not forget the earnings call when this is going to be announced. So this might be also a great catalyst for the stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. You can become a YouTube member. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.